Kia ora te whānau, welcome back to another episode of a Māori Phrase a Day. We're back, we're doing it, we're staying consistent, less age. Alright, today's Māori phrase, Hei Kona, see you then. Other common farewells include ka kite anō, see you again, and mā te wā, see you in time. If someone is leaving and you are staying, you can say haere rā, and they might respond by saying e noho rā. Doesn't give the definitions, but so for an example, if I'm going, brothers, go for a round of golf tomorrow. You're like, yeah, car's fit to go, that's age. Oh, we on tea time 7 a.m. Hei Kona, see you then. Ooh. And as always, whānau, if that was incorrect or if I've mispronounced it, please comment down below. Loving all the messages, loving all the comments. It's actually been really helping me with my real journey, so please keep them coming through. And as always, it's a good day to have a good day, so I hope you had a good day today, whānau. Let's go.